Mr. Njai.
Afternoon, Ma.
Come back.
Thank you so much.
Cancel proceed, please.
But if we have the okay, now yes, Mr. Njai, you have any other issue you want to discuss apart from the vouchers?
Yes, there are a few things that I want to highlight with regards to the EU project.
Yes.
The same Mr. Sajo Jame, our IT manager, getting close to 400, getting close to 500,000, getting close to 500,000 was paid for his scholarship to pursue a BSc, online BSc.
$500,000.
We are getting close to it.
Yes.
We couldn't.
That is who again? Come again?
Mr. Sajo Jame.
Sajo
Jame.
Jame.
Yeah.
Who is he? Please remind us. IT manager.
Yes.
Okay.
That is very difficult to process.
Why?
Because I don't see online course that could attract such a huge cost. And I am made to understand that there was a partial refund after that payment, which was supposed to come back to the council coffers, but it never happened. So I can't confirm, but it is an understanding that I have. But with regards to the payment that was carried out from the EU project, yeah, he was part of the initial beneficiaries of the project.
Okay.
Yeah. Aside from that, we have what we call two procurements that the institution make, which is one a QuickBooks accounting software at the tune of 221,000.
Yes.
Another integrated HR and payroll software at the tune of 335,000.
Right.
This we are procured by the office. It is our understanding that this software were never installed on our system. Others from the other side are contesting that it was installed and crashed. But we've never used this. This is almost $456,000 taxpayers' money. $456,000 taxpayers' money. The auditors flagged this very seriously.
Yes.
And they pointed to Sajo.
And they
pointed to Sajo, the same Sajo.
Yes.
And still now, much effort, maximum effort, let me use the word, is not made.
It's not done.
Yes.
Not even maximum, no effort.
I would just want to use the word. Aside from that, council, with regards to a gap that
you have that voucher, those vouchers?
No, these are not vouchers. These are extractions here. You can use them.
Let me see what you.
Yes.
It's for years to do that, and it's name is on the top. Not for sale. So this is a register of equipment, furniture, and software acquired in the year 2019 to 2022, correct?
Right, sir.
Okay. Would you be able to be in a position to submit to us maybe after today?
Sure.
Another version, because you have written on this one.
Click send here. Okay, let's proceed. I'll check and get.
Okay. Can I hold this one?
Yes, you can hold on to that.
Yes. Please proceed.
Yes. Aside from that, there is a serious gap identified.
There is a
serious gap identified.
In what?
As far as the project is concerned.
Okay.
The departure of Dei Ture, who was the project accountant.
Right.
Somebody assumed her role.
Who assumed her role?
It's not yet confirmed to us who assumed her role filling in that void, who authorized that person to step in, and what transpired during that process before Mr. Cham came in as the accountant. So this is a very critical observation we have with regards to that.
The Cham you're referring to the finance manager?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, further to that.
This trek to Upcas Creek Lodge.
Yes.
You were aware of this?
After.
After.
Yes.
The payment or the trek itself?
The trek.
Itself.
We didn't know about how much money was committed into this.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any last issue you want to discuss?
Yes. Just wanted to submit, with your permission, a few correspondence here at hand.
In 2020, who was the admin manager?
20? Myself, my humble self.
Okay. We plan to tender the following letters. Documents. First, the memo addressed to the Chief Executive Officer from the admin officer. The date is 23rd of March 2020. The subject is request for explanation on prolonged acting capacities of official. We have a letter addressed to the Chief Executive Officer dated the 14th of February 2019, signed by the witness Sandigi Njie. The subject is in inquiry regarding preferential treatment and immunity of certain staff members. We have a letter dated the 9th of October 2020, addressed to the Chief Executive Officer, Banjul City Council, with the subject urgent inquiry regarding alleged auction of former mayor's official vehicle. So you wrote a letter to the CEO.
Sure.
Were you responded to?
No, I don't think I remember him responding.
Responded.
Yes.
A letter dated the 3rd of January 2022, with the subject outstanding trade license arrears for the fiscal year 2018 to 2020, signed by the witness Sandigi Njie. Uh, 21st of December 2020, a letter addressed to the Chief Executive Officer by the witness Sandigi Njie, with the subject uncollected trade license arrears. We have 29th of March 2021 letter addressed to the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Local Government, Lands and Religious Affairs, Quadrangle, Banjul, says request for intervention. We have a letter addressed to the Chief Executive Officer on the 23rd of December 2021 by the witness Sandigi Njai, the admin manager, with the subject ostracization and violation of Employment Act 2007. So this in relation to the unfair employment practices that are going on in the office of the CEO.
Yes, the handful of people who had a different perspective with regard to issues, who were sidelined, who were isolated, who were victimized. I mean,
This printout between, is it you and Aisha? Or who?
which one?
I see a printout here, a message printout.
Yes, this would drive me to a very important point, which I want to shed light on, if you permit me, sir.
What is it about?
This is in respect of a particular employee.
Yes.
She reached out to me telling me that there is a person going by the name Modumbai.
Yes.
Who's requesting for my contact number. So she thought it appropriate that before she gives my number, she has my consent.
Right.
I say, come on, I owe nobody a dime, so why not? Thereabout, a post on social media about me. So it's a fake account, and she never disclosed who this person was. So that is the line of communication from her via messenger when I was even sending her text. And I still have the voice audios that I sent to her telling her, me, I am that type who does not look at these things. Even that Sankum Fati, who was mentioned here, was even used to make a similar campaign.
Okay, we will, I will.
And allow me, Council, why I want to highlight this. This was posted on our page, Council's page, handled by Modu Laminba.
Okay, I will have to interview separately.
Thank you.
In camera about this to see how it will have relevance in the commission's work. And if it does, then they will hear you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We have a voucher. Voucher number 753.
Yes, sir.
The documents to be admitted to evidence and marked as exhibits. Yeah, I'm okay. Yep,
A letter dated the 29th of March 2021 is addressed to the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Local Government and Lands, and the caption is Request for Intervention. The letter is signed by the witness, Mr. Njai, admin manager, and a file copy is maintained. A letter dated the 23rd of December 2021 addressed to the Chief Executive Officer. It has the subject ostracization and violation of Employment Act 2007. It's signed by Mr. Njai, the witness, copied to the Lord Mayor, Acting Director of Admin, Acting Director of Finance, Personal Attorney, Syndicate Attorney, and a file copy is maintained. A letter dated the 14th of February 2019, addressed to the CEO. It has the subject inquiry regarding preferential treatment and immunity of certain staff members. It is signed by the witness, Mr. Njai, and it is copied to the PS Ministry of Local Government and Lands, copied to the Acting Director of Admin, Personal Attorney, Syndicate Attorney, file copy is maintained. A memo dated the 23rd of March 2020, a file copy is maintained. It is addressed to the CEO and it is from the admin manager. A letter dated the 21st of December 2020 addressed to the CEO. It has the subject uncollected trade license arrears. It is signed by the witness, Mr. Njai, copied to the Lord Mayor, Acting Director of Admin, Acting Director of Finance, file copy is maintained. A letter dated the 3rd of January 2022 addressed to the CEO. It has subject outstanding trade license arrears fiscal year 2018 to 2020. It's signed by Mr. Njai, the witness, and a file. It is copied to the Lord Mayor, Acting Director of Admin, Acting Director of Finance, Acting Director of Copy, and a file copy is maintained. The last letter is dated the 9th of October 2020, addressed to the CEO, and it has the subject urgent inquiry regarding alleged auction of former mayor's official vehicle. It is signed by the witness, Mr. Njai, and the mayor is copied. The PS Ministry of Lands is copied and the file copy is maintained. These documents are admitted together in a bundle as exhibit in evidence and they are marked as LGC/BCC/017.
As the commission places. I believe that's all.
Yes,
Now?
sir. Yes, so far.
Right. Thank you very much for you.
Yes,
for
I
your...
just want to talk about a few things.
Okay.
It is interesting to note that from 2018 to date, aside from the failed abattoir and the failed stores being constructed at the ice plant, if I could vividly remember, these are funds that are derived directly from the council's consolidated fund. But all other projects are donor or partners fund. Then it brings or it invites us to question ourselves. Where has the taxpayers' money gone from the past 5 years that has been collected? Hence, the projects we're seeing serially or intermittently are from donors or partners. So these are things that we wanted them to shed light on. And flipping the script, something unfolded at the National Assembly. But first, I may kindly want to refer you to a few audio tapes that are accessible to YouTube. You can access that console. There were a series of press conferences that the then CEO and his team had. You can view that versus their testimony here. There were town hall meetings that happened, supported by the EU fund and partially council funds. Check what transpired there versus testimonies here. But the most shocking part is what happened at the National Assembly when they went to meet FPAC. They submitted before them that the books of accounts are cooked on record. After realizing that in a subsequent appearance, they wanted to change position. The chairperson, Alaji Esdao, honorable for that matter, and Kebalang Fufana insisted that it is on record that you previously came here and said these books are cooked. And it is on our hands and it is on videotape. So if people could go that far, how credible are those witnesses?
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Njai. I understand your frustration for the issues that you were discussing. Unless we have other witnesses, we will be seeing you. If you have anything you want to discuss, you may approach me
Right.
for further discussion. And if it is relevant as well to the work of the commission, we will call you and to come and share with the commission in relation to matters that affecting the area, the city council.
Thank you, Council.
In the absence of any question, that's all for this witness.
Sure.
Ms. Sanja, you are discharged.
Thank you, Ma.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can stand here, face that camera. Welcome to this Commission of Inquiry to Local Government Councils and Related Matters. Mr. Witness, in which language do you wish to make your testimony?
In English.
What is your religion?
Muslim.
Okay. Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation? Affirmation. Madam Chair, the witness wishes to make an affirmation. Okay, Mr. Jawara, raise your hand, your right hand. Use your right hand, raise it up, and then repeat after me. I say.
Is there a reason why the witness does not want to Honorable PS Secretary, may I respectfully cut you short? Is there a reason why he wants to affirm?
No, he has not stated any reason why he wants to affirm.
Is there a reason why you want to affirm, sir?
I just feel like
Please get the microphone.
no.
Yeah.
So because you have an option to either swear to the Holy Quran, if you are a Muslim, to swear to the Bible, if you are a Christian, or to affirm.
Yeah.
So you don't want to swear to the Holy Quran?
Yeah, I want to affirm.
Okay.
But lead counsel, that was clearly put
Yes.
to him that whether he wants to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation.
Yes.
So he chose to affirm instead of swearing by the Holy Quran.
Yes, I had this the secretary. I just want to, because witnesses sometimes the idea is some will say maybe they want to hold the Holy Quran or the Bible because they didn't perform the pollution.
Yeah, for me, I'm with ablution, but as my capacity, whatever I'm going to say is part of the swearing in that I have sweared already. So whatever I'm going to say here is going to be the truth and only the truth. So,
Private Secretary,
Okay, then now you repeat after me. I, SAIHOU JAWARA,
I, SAIHOU JAWARA,
do solemnly,
sincerely,
and truly declare that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness to you for us to proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jawara.
Afternoon.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Council will proceed.
Thank you very much, Honorable PS. Honorable Secretary. Mr. Jawara, can you state your name, your full name for the commission?
Thank you. I am Honorable SAIHOU JAWARA.
You were the chairman, correct, of this Kawu? Kuntawu, sir.
Exactly.
And what is the period that you serve as chair?
I'm the chairman of the area council.
The period?
Oh, from 2018 to date.
To date.
Yes, sir.
Now, you recall that you gave a statement to the investigators?
Yes. So,
you give you a copy of the statement. What is your level of education?
I attended Kaur's primary school.
Kaur.
Yes. Kaur primary school. And I attended Kaur junior secondary school. Then Kaur senior secondary school. That's where I stopped.
Okay. Please go through the statement.
Yes. That's my statement.
We apply to tender the statement of the witness, SAIHOU Jawara. The date is the 7th of May 2024 to evidence as an exhibit.
The statement dated the 7th of May 2024, made by the witness, Mr. SAIHOU Jawara, is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit, and it is marked as LVC/KTRAC/SJ/001.
As the commission places. Now, Mr. Jawara, as chairman of the area council, Kuntawu area council.
Yes, let's council.
Who was your CEO in 2018?
It was Pa Ansudabo. Yes, in 2018.
Now, when you were elected in 2018, do you know how many accounts, bank accounts, the area council has?
Yes.
Can you tell us?
Yeah, only one account.
Only one account.
Yes.
Okay.
I think we are the only council that have only one account.
Is that supposed to be a good? Is that supposed to be a good thing, or what is the point?
Yeah, of course. I think it's a good thing because having only one account will help accountability and transparency.
Where you're very transparent and following accountability procedures.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll find out. Now, who was your finance director?
At that time?
Yes.
Yes, Morokeda.
Moroketa.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how many committees do you have in council?
We have finance committee.
Waiting. Just the finance committee.
Okay. No.
We're waiting for you to tell us the committees you have.
Okay. We have finance committee.
Yes.
Development committee. And contracts committee.
Okay.
And establishment committee.
How were they appointed, the members of the committee?
Members of the committee, how they are?
Appointed.
Appointed. As far as I am concerned, the committees were not appointed.
What does it mean? If they're not appointed, how do they become members of the committee?
Yeah, because if you say appointment, it has to be a letter of appointment.
Okay.
Yeah, and that was not issued.
Okay, so then how did they find themselves as committee members?
Yeah, we identify them to be part of one of these committees.
Who identified them?
The General Council.
Do you have a resolution to that?
I don't have I don't.
Why?
I don't think.
Why will you not have a resolution?
Maybe it's an oversight.
What kind of oversight is that?
But that has been regularized. Maybe in 2018.
Not regularizing that. The General Council makes its decision through resolutions. Correct?
Yes.
Now, if you have committees, like 4 committees, finance, development, contracts, and establishment committees, then they would have found their way in the committee by virtue of an appointment or addition by the General Council. So that will be in a resolution.
Yeah, for sure. I think.
But you don't have that.
No.
Is that a reason? Or are they appointed or elected by you as chairman and not the General Council?
No, it's the General Council.
But where's the evidence? Do you not have minutes of meetings?
Yes, of course, I think.
Do you have that? The factoring in or capturing the committee members?
So it's in the minutes. Yeah.
What?
Yes, in the minutes.
You do not know. How would you not know that?
I said they are in the minutes.
No, but you had said you don't have the resolution.
No, you know, resolution and a minute of the meeting might be different.
How can they be different? They're all the same. If you have a resolution, it will be embedded in the minutes. If you have minutes, it will. If you have minutes, it will make reference to resolutions that are passed, and vice versa.
Then I think there's a resolution.
Okay, then we will want you to produce that. Then they give you a paper.
Don't mind. I have one.
Okay, so how often do these committees sit?
Sometimes It depends on the situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are there minutes taken for
Yes,
these sittings?
Yes, of course.
Who takes these minutes? Do they have separate secretaries for the various committees, or do you have a designated secretary for these committees?
I think every committee has
Its
a
own secretary.
Yes.
All right. Now, do they submit the minutes of their meetings to the clerk for the attention of the general council?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes. Why sometimes?
Maybe the committees, how they sit, that's how they report. So that's why I say sometimes.
Okay, I think I understand what you're saying. Now, how about the general council? How often do you sit?
Almost every month.
How many times in a month?
Once in a month.
Once in a month.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Mr. You have a strategic plan, Mr. Jawara? Does the council have a strategic plan during this period from 2018 to 2023? Do you know?
Yes, of course. We had one in 2018 to 29.
Okay.
Sorry, from 2018 to 2019 to 2018 to 2023.
Yeah.
Then we have a new one that is updated from 2025 to 2029.
Okay. Please, you are required to produce the one from 2018 to 2023.
Both of them?
No, just one.
Just one.
Yes.
The copy, or if the soft copy is okay?
No, if you have
the hard copy.
The hard copy, yes. Now, did the council contract loans in this period from 2018 to 2023?
Loans like?
Loan from financial institutions like banks, overdraft loans. Do you know whether you have had loans that you contracted during this period?
From 2018?
Yes.
I can remember in 20 when we came.
Yes.
I think before Padavo left, there is a month that we took an overdraft.
There is a?
There is a particular month I can remember.
Yes.
That there was an overdraft.
Overdraft. In the back?
Yes.
Well, now what is the procedure? How does council give authorization to secure overdraft?
As the chairman, I know very little about loan.
Why?
Because it is purely finance.
Purely finance?
Yes.
What do you mean it's purely finance? So you don't know if they contract a loan or overdraft, you would not know.
No, of course I will know. They will inform me that chairman, the accounts cannot pay salaries.
Right.
So we are going to apply for overdraft.
Okay.
That's how they inform me.
And then you will say what?
I said, okay, you can go ahead.
Verbally?
Yes.
Because
sorry.
No, you go ahead.
They spoke to me verbally.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when they inform you, are they seeking for your clearance, or are they just informing you that that's what they have done or they're going to do? Or do you have to give authorization for that?
Yes, the council previously they don't take authorization from us. Previously.
When it's previously? Which period?
Yeah.
Because the previous
Maybe
takeover.
before the comments of the commission.
Okay.
Yeah.
They would not take authorization from you or the council. The CEO and the finance director will just contract a loan or an overdraft.
Yeah.
Is that the evidence you have?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you know how many times the council has taken a loan on overdraft?
I think during Padabo's time, I think it's only once.
All right. And it was solely between the finance director and the CEO.
Yeah.
Is that your evidence?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you have staff loans or the council has given loans or salary advancements or overdraft? Applying for loans or like from the area council.
Yes.
What is the process? Is there a policy for this?
Yes, we have a policy now, but before we did not have policies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, who is in charge? Who decides who gets what, whether they are entitled to a loan or not?
The CEO.
The CEO. How about you as a chairman?
No.
You're not involved. Now, withdrawals of monies to the account of the council. What is the procedure?
If you have a request
Yes.
and the request is written in your name,
Right.
then the check will also be written in your name.
Okay. Now, who authorizes payments in council?
Previously, it used to be the CEO,
Yes.
but now with the coming of the commission, we have changed the rhythm of identifying a threshold.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the threshold?
The threshold is we have a threshold for the CEO to
Yes.
spend, and we have a threshold for the chairman,
Yes.
and we also have a threshold for the general counsel.
Now, this was not in place.
This was not in place, but now it is.
So now the CEO can withdraw any amount together with the finance director without you knowing. Is that your evidence?
Yes, of course, because I'm not a signatory to the accounts.
You don't have to be a signatory account.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a signatory account. So from 2018 to 2023, all the monies that were removed from the account or withdrawn from the account, you were not aware. Is that your evidence?
Some I will be aware,
Okay, tell us.
like salaries,
Yes.
like some of the procurement,
Yes.
and sometimes some of the projects
Yes.
that we award.
Those ones you'll be aware.
Yeah.
Now, advisors. You have council advisors?
No, sir.
Consultants were hired. Do you know?
No.
No consultant was hired.
Consultant?
Lawyers? Consultants were
No.
hired.
No.
Lawyers?
No.
You have never hired a lawyer before.
No.
Okay. Contracts? Were there any employees who are on contract?
Pardon?
Employees on contract. Do you know? Maybe their contracts have been extended for a certain period. Do you know?
Employers?
Employees, yes.
Yes, of course.
Now, what is the procedure for the extension of contracts of employees?
Maybe think the CEO will be able
You,
to
you don't know.
No,
You have no idea.
I have no idea.
Salary increment or allowance increment of staffs and elected officials like you, the chairman, or the councillors? Was there a period from 2018 to 2023 that salaries of staffs were increased, or the allowances of the elected officers? That is the general council members.
Yes, salaries were increased.
How many times and when?
It's when the central government increased that when we increase.
When they increase, then you increase. What does it mean? When you say it like that, it means you just listen, you just want to wait and whatever the news says, if they announce GR3S that the government is increasing 30% salary, then you also fully do increase. Is that how it works?
Yeah, but we wait for instructions.
Instructions.
Yes, even the last increasement that they have announced,
Yeah.
we did not effect it yet because we did not have communication from the ministry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've always have all the increment that were done during your time were done in line with procedure. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
What is the process?
The process of
Increment.
You
don't know.
I don't know. Maybe the finance department will
Tell
can
us.
help us. Yeah.
Now, you have an establishment register. Do you know whether your council has an establishment register?
Establishment register?
Right.
That one
You've not
was
seen
not
it.
that was not there, but now it is available.
Now it is there.
Yes.
Fixed asset register?
Yeah, it was not there, but now
it is there.
Yeah.
Now, I know you don't have companies. Do you have companies?
Thank you.
No.
Thank you very much.
You don't have companies you created, no?
Pardon?
Companies. You don't, the area council did not invest in any company.
No.
Now, your budget, what is the process of the area council coming up with a budget? What process do you follow if you have to do your budget formulation?
Well,
Have you ever taken part in that?
yes, of course.
Okay, please guide us.
The first thing that we used to do,
Right.
we will send a circular
Okay.
to the councillors to bring in their requests
Right.
from the village level to the ward level, then to the regions.
Right. Do they do that?
Yes.
They do that?
The councillors.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Then when they submit to the office of the chairman, then we compile it together and submit it to the office of the director of planning.
Yes.
Then that's where they will compile it together to the finance department.
Okay.
And after that, they come back to the general council to
so the village and the ward development committees, they take part in this budget preparation.
Yes, at what level?
At what level?
Yes.
And so if we were to request all these correspondences from the wards that are submitted to the chairman, we will have access to it. You can produce this.
Yes, the requests.
Yes.
That we are submitting.
Not the request that you submit to them, their responses. Yes, even the request and the response.
From the response from
the ward development committees.
No, they don't respond.
They don't respond.
So I don't understand.
Now you write to them, correct, through their councillors.
Yes.
And they would have to respond. Do they not respond to tell you what they want you to factor in relation to the development activities of that ward also?
Yes, they will. It is going to be in the form of a request.
Yes.
Yes.
So they send that request to you.
Yes.
And you have those copies?
Yeah, it must be with the department, planning department, because at the end of the day,
yes,
that's where we submit them.
You can forward us these copies from 2018.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
From 2018, huh?
Right.
Villages and at village level and ward level.
Yes. A revenue assessment? Do you engage in revenue assessment every year? Yes. That? No.
So the request you need from 2018 up to date?
Up to 2023.
2023.
The survey, the revenue assessment, you guys conduct revenue assessment yearly? Do you do that? Revenue assessment to know your expected income in the year. Do you do that?
Yes.
Every year.
Yes.
Please increase your voice.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Now, how is this done?
It's done by the finance department.
How?
I think they will send a circular to the collectors.
You don't know? You're not sure?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
You're not sure how they do the assessment?
I know. Let me explain.
Okay.
But maybe I might be. I might not explain all, but I got.
No, but you said I think.
Yes, I
you're
think.
Sure that is what they do.
Yeah.
But you are just assuming that's what they do.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
But as the chairman, should you not know?
Sorry, the council. Of course, I should know.
So why do you not know?
That's why I was trying to say, let me explain what I know.
Okay, go ahead.
The finance department
Yes.
will write to the collectors
Right.
for assessment
Right.
of revenue. And from there, they will also inform the councillors to join them.
Right.
During the process.
Mm-hmm.
So when that is done, they will do the assessment and come back to council.
And then when they come out to council, what happens?
They submit the assessment to the finance department.
Right.
And the finance department will compile them together.
Right.
And prepare the annual budget.
Right.
And submit to the general council.
Do you know whether they have been doing this assessment?
Yes. I think there is memo or circular that is.
Not the circular. Do you know whether the assessment is carried out every year?
Yes, I can confirm that.
You have the compilation of the assessment is done by the various collectors.
Yes.
You have the compilation.
I don't, maybe in the finance department, but
maybe, but you have not seen it.
Yeah, there are some documents that I need to see.
During your time as chairman from 2018 to 2023, whether every year the exercise is conducted, how much money can be reasonably expected, and this is if you have 10 collectors and they went out in the various villages and to do the estimation, exactly this is what we should expect. This is the overall amount when you gather the, let's say, 10 collectors. This what can be reasonably expected from in a given year. Do you have that information in a document form?
Yeah, it must be with the finance department.
Must be with the finance department.
Yes.
But you don't have it.
No, I don't have it.
It's never given to you.
No.
So you would not know how much your area council can generate in a year.
Of course, I know.
How do you know?
Through the budget.
No, but the budget they can put there an amount.
But
what?
If there is an assessment,
yeah,
submitted to the finance department,
right, which you haven't seen. As chairman or council, which you haven't seen.
Definitely, I haven't seen.
Yes. So they come up with a figure. They're telling you the estimation for this year revenue estimation is $10 million. You don't know whether it's an understatement or not.
Right, it comes.
So how would you govern or administer the area council if you cannot have control over the income that the council should reasonably expect? It's a question I asked.
Please come again.
How would you, and let's move on. Now, you have the the laws that are governing the area council, the
Yes.
financial manual. You guys have access to this?
The
You
financial
ever heard about financial manual?
Yes, of course.
What is the financial manual?
Financial manual talks about, it's a document that talks about all the operation of the council.
Okay, so you're familiar with it.
Yeah.
You've read it.
Yeah, I go. Yeah.
So you know how the expenditures of councils should be run.
Yeah, previously I don't know.
When is previously?
Around 2018 towards 2020.
Then when did you start knowing?
2021 up to date.
Okay, and why is that?
You know, if you come to council,
Right.
sometimes you have to do your own thing to know the things. They will not tell you. So you have to proactive. You have, you know, because all of these instruments, you don't find them there. And to be honest with you, nobody has ever handed over anything to me when I was coming into office.
Nobody. Who should hand over these things to you?
Maybe the one that I succeeded.
No, that's a political office. If there is no handing over, you can't hold them responsible. They went for an election like you do and got their mandate from the people. When their time expires, they go. There's no requirement that there has to be a handing over for political office. I haven't seen that anywhere, the laws. It's good practice, absolute good practice, but not a requirement. I don't think it's a requirement. Because you know why? When there's a handover note, you will still assume. You will still take charge. If you are appointed, however, then you have a responsibility to do that. So there's a difference. So now, okay, you did not know in the beginning, but 2021 moving forward, you realize there are laws governing the area council, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you also know there's a Procurement Act,
Yes.
Procurement Regulation.
Yes.
But this you knew in 2018?
Please?
This you knew since 2018?
No, it started in around 2021.
Okay. All right. The act, the Local Government Act, you're familiar with it from 2018?
Yes.
All right. The councillors, they have access to this?
Yes.
Right. Now, you have standing orders?
No.
Is there any reason why?
We are even trying to, even during our last sitting, we spoke about it because sometimes during the sittings,
Right.
we have some abnormalities and we cannot take care of it. So
because you don't have standing orders.
Yes, I think we are also just last sitting we said that we're gonna make some standing orders in order to regularize during our sittings.
All right. You do have an IT unit.
IT unit. Yes, we have, but it's not very strong.
Okay.
Yes.
It's not very strong.
Yeah.
Do you have IT policies or trainings for the staff in the unit?
Yeah, we have developed a training policy not long ago.
Not long ago.
Yeah.
But okay, all right. And how many people are in the IT unit from 2018 to 2023?
Yeah, I think 3.
How many?
I think 3, yes.
3.
Yes, 3, yes.
3.
I think Mr. Charm.
Can you please give us their names and designation?
We have Bala Musa Cham.
As what?
He is the head of the IT unit.
Head.
Yes.
Is that his designation? A head, or is a manager or senior IT officer?
No, I cannot.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't. I cannot tell you his position as of now.
Okay, number 2.
We have Mamad YB Seka.
Come again?
Mamad.
Mamad what?
Mamad Seka.
Mamad Seka.
Seka.
Please speak into the microphone.
Yes, Mamad Seka.
Do you know what his position is? You don't.
Maybe assist this.
Not maybe. Let's go with facts.
I don't know.
Okay. 3. The third one. You forgot.
I think we have only two.
Two. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now you have an internal audit unit.
Internal audit.
2018 to 2023.
Yes.
Okay. How many? How many people are there in the unit?
Previously, it was one man. That is Abdul Njai.
Abdul Jai.
Yes.
Previously, when was this?
This was between 2018 to 2020, 2021. Something like that.
Abdul Jai.
Yes.
Do you know his qualification at the time?
No.
Why? You're not interested in the qualification? Because you should know what the qualifications of the
Yeah.
senior staff.
Yeah, maybe it's in his file, but I cannot tell you as at now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, after Abdul Jai,
Um. There is another Keba Koli. He was an internal controller, I think.
Keba Kuli,
Keba Fati, sorry.
Keba Fati, internal audit, the officer, manager, director.
Internal control.
That is a title.
Yes.
Internal control.
Yes.
Any other? That's all?
Yes, sir.
Whether payments passing through internal audit? Expenditures, do they pass through internal audit for verification?
That was a query
By
the national audit,
okay.
and I personally I written to the CEO
Right.
for that to be addressed.
Please draw yourself closer to the microphone so that you can.
Yes, I said
Yeah.
that was an query from the national audit,
Okay.
and we have regularized that.
Since when? And when was this?
This was in 2022.
Okay. So from 2022 moving forward, all payments were passing through internal audit normally, in normal way.
Yeah, to my knowledge.
To your knowledge. So you wrote to the CEO.
Pardon?
You wrote to the CEO. You said you wrote to the CEO.
Yes, I think I can remember that.
Yeah. Do you have that letter? Not here. You can always bring it.
Sorry. I think I can get that one.
Okay. Please write it down. Have you been receiving reports from the internal audit unit from 2018 to 2023?
Yes.
Quarterly reports?
Yes.
What do you do when you receive these reports? You address them?
Yes.
How do you address them? Some of these reports are affecting you directly.
When these reports are submitted to me,
Right.
I call for a management meeting.
Okay.
Then we discuss the areas that have been highlighted. Yes. Yeah.
And how about if it concerns you?
Yeah, we regularize it.
And you've been doing that.
Of course.
Okay.
Lead council.
Do you take the matter to council?
Yes.
You have minutes of council meetings where you have discussed this issue of internal audit reports and external as well.
Yes, for sure.
Can you produce us copies of minutes of meetings that were addressing the issues of these audit reports?
Yes, because I can remember one time we discussed those at the General Council, and it is minuted.
Okay, we will need those minutes. Okay. Now, you have projects that were funded by counterpart funding. Do you?
Sorry, lead counsel?
Do you have projects
Yes.
that were funded by, like, through donor funded or counterpart funded? Maybe you, let's say UNDP, EU, or any private institution.
Maybe Gunworks.
Maybe Gunworks.
Yes.
Would you have a list of the projects that the Area Council has embarked on from every year, 2018, 2019, 2020 to 2023? Would you have a list? And to also itemize the ones that are from donors or counterpart funded projects? Do you have that?
I don't have it. I don't have it here.
Not here.
Yeah, maybe it will be, the planning director might be having those documents.
Do you have information from at council level? Because if I ask you and you say, for instance, we should ask the planning department or the CEO or the finance director, then it appears as if sometimes you may not have this information, or it was never given to you unless you go and ask them now, but it was never like you were demanding them or requesting for this information, or it was submitted to you people. Is that the case? You were not given this information?
No, you know, lead counsel, there are some documents that is under my custody, but there are some documents it is in the custody of the responsible
department, not to be in your custody.
Yes.
To have information about it. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, of course, I have information.
You have information about it. So you would know how many projects each year the council embark on, and which of those projects are fully funded by council and the ones that are funded by partly by donors.
Yes, of course.
And so you can give us a list.
Yes.
Okay, please.
Can even tell you some, yeah.
No, we need you to give us a list.
The list.
The comprehensive list from 2018 to 2023.
From 2018 up to date.
Yeah, 2023.
Okay. List of projects, huh?
Yes. And you classify them. The ones that are fully funded by council and the ones that are partly funded by council.
Okay, list of projects.
You understand? Now, you have a procurement unit?
Yes, lead counsel.
From 2018 to 2023?
Yes, from 2018, yeah.
Were procurement activities handled by the procurement unit?
Not from 2018.
From which period?
Can say maybe from 2020 or 2021.
2021. Yes. Why is that?
It was maybe an oversight from the administration.
Which administration? You mean CEO down?
CEO down.
Or you?
No, CEO
down.
Maybe CEO down.
Why? If it is an oversight from CEO down, you would have known that within the first quarter.
Yes.
Because you have management meeting, right?
Yes.
Which you had. You had the management meeting.
Please come again.
You used to have a management meeting.
Yes.
Which you always will head.
Yes.
Will lead, correct? So you would know.
Yes. Lead council 2018 to 2021, we were in the process of learning.
Okay.
So there are a lot of things that we learn in the process. And area council is, is day-to-day learning. Every day you learn things. So when we understand that procurement is very important, we address it.
How did you address it?
We inform the management to be including.
You?
We inform the management to include procurement officer in all the procurement processes.
Okay. Now, you have a contracts committee, you said, in 2018.
Contracts committee?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the purpose of the contracts committee?
Pardon?
What is the role of the contracts committee?
The role of the contracts committee is to award contracts.
Award contracts.
Yeah.
Okay. If that is the role, then why were you engaging in procurement?
Who?
You.
Come again, please.
You, the chairman.
Yes.
Why were you engaging in procurement if the role of the contracts committee is to award contracts?
I engage in procurement?
Yes.
No, I cannot remember that.
Okay. Now, we have the issue of management. What is the day-to-day management structure of the council? You have the chairman, you have the CEO, you have the finance director, the senior management team. Now, how do you conduct? You have an office in the area council, correct?
You mean where I have an office?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Now, how is the daily management of the area council administered?
The day-to-day activity of the council is managed by the CEO.
And what is your role?
My primary responsibility.
Yes.
As far as the local government is concerned.
The Government Act, yes.
Section 15, subsection 1.
You guys memorize this. There's no way I will memorize this, but go ahead.
No, you know,
what does it say?
I'm a product of the judiciary.
You are?
I'm a product of the judiciary. I have a law background. I worked with the judiciary for 16 years.
16 years?
Yeah, I even worked with you. I even worked with you at Carnifing Magistrate Court. Maybe you don't remember, but I remember.
I have a very bad memory.
This council, I know you very well. We worked together for almost 3 to 4 years.
Maybe.
Yes, in Carnifing.
I will not doubt that.
Yeah.
I have a very bad memory.
I know that. I know. sorry to mention that, but it's just, yes, to help. Yeah.
That's not a problem.
Yeah.
Yes. But it's only going to make the issue worse, because then you now will not have too much reason as to why you will not know what the law is.
No, knowing the law and knowing the work is totally different.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now, back to the issue regarding the day-to-day administration. How is it done?
It's the CEO's responsibility.
Okay. So what is your role as chairman?
Yes. I am the political head of the council or the region.
Yes.
I am the I should supervise all the administrative activity of the council.
Right.
And I should preside over council sittings.
Right. So that's true. So if you are to supervise the general administration of the area council, then is it not correct that you should know whatever the CEO is doing or the administration is doing?
Yeah. Yes, I should know, but your question was day-to-day.
Yes,
and
yes.
the day-to-day running of the council is in the hands of the CEO.
Okay, so now how do you supervise that?
I supervise that by asking the CEO to be briefing me every week.
Okay.
On the day-to-day activity.
All right. Does he do this briefing and officially writing to you, or is it mostly verbal?
Mostly it's verbal.
It's verbal. Do you have you ever had any written communication to you from the CEO regarding the state of affairs of the area council?
That's how it's supposed to be.
Right.
But definitely it is not happening.
It's not done that way.
Yeah.
The Act 2 requires that as chairperson, every year you will have to address your people, the maybe through the council,
yes,
and to tell them the the annual state of affairs of the area council. Is that done?
Yes, every year, at the end of every year,
Right.
maybe we don't do it at the village level,
Right.
but at the council level,
right.
At the end of every year, we make a report.
The report.
Yeah.
Okay. Will you be able to help us with that report?
Maybe
know those yearly reports. Will you be able to help us with those?
No, it's not documented.
Right.
Yeah, it is done in a general council meetings.
So do you have minutes of meetings where you've addressed the general council relation to the state of affairs of the?
Yeah, maybe we can maybe check the last month of maybe every
year.
Every year.
Okay,
That might have the report.
Okay, please write that down as well. Remember the period that we cover is 2018, 2019 to 2023. From 2018 to 2023.
The minutes of the
Yes, the minute that will contain the yearly report that you will be given to the council. In effect, addressing the area council. How many wards do you have?
How many?
Wards.
We have 10 wards.
10 wards. So you have 10 councillors.
Exactly.
You have nominated councillors?
Yes.
How many?
3.
All right. Which class of people do they represent? For instance, women, the youth, and so on and so forth.
Yes, we have the youth rep.
We have the
youth rep.
The youth rep, okay.
Yes. We have the woman rep and the chief rep. These are the 3 nominated.
You don't have a representative for, let's say, agriculture also?
No.
No. Is there any reason? I'm just thinking that area would be, agriculture would be something very, so like a big thing in that area. So is there any reason why you don't have a representative from the farmers?
Yes, of course. We should have more than those nominated.
Right.
But due to financial constraints,
okay,
that's why we just limit ourselves to those 3 nominated.
Okay. How are these people nominated?
How they are nominated?
Yes, yes. The process.
Previously, we nominate them according to their interest group.
Their interest group. Okay, what does that mean?
For example, the youth rep will come from the regional youth committee.
Okay.
Will be identified by the regional youth committee in consultation with me.
Right.
The women rep also will be nominated, or will be identified by the women within the region. Then the chief rep also will be identified by the chief.
Yes.
Then I nominate.
Now, how do they communicate this to you? The people representing them, do they write to you so that they tell you that we are nominating Mr. X, Mr. Y, or Mrs. X, Mrs. Y to be a representative?
No.
Okay. How do they communicate to you?
We used to call them. Telephone call.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who would you call?
I used to call. Sometimes I will assign the clerk of the council. Yeah.
To
call
who?
To call the youth representatives on my behalf to find out who is to be nominated.
Who they are nominating.
Yes.
But if the person you call just gives you a name, like the name of a friend that he or she prefers, and that may not be the preference of that class of people.
Yeah, they protest. If you nominate somebody and they don't want it, they tell you. Especially the youths, they don't compromise that.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's better to have the normal process of writing.
That is it. Yes. That's what we are doing now.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, and they have been there since 2018. Do they vote?
No, they don't have voting rights.
They don't have voting rights. Now, any questions for this witness? You will want to proceed with the witness on Monday, but there are questions for the witness. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Jawara. We'll see you on Monday. Thanks.